Honor 600 Pro. Top 9 smart features you need to know about. The Honor 600 Pro runs Magic OS 10 on top of Android 16, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite hardware underneath. These specs are at flagship level in the usual ways: fast charging, large battery, high resolution cameras. But Honor's biggest focus this year is clearly software. Instead of stacking experimental 8 demos that nobody opens twice, the 600 Pro pushes features that affect how actually you use the phone every day. As you can see right here, some of the most useful software additions are the ones you've already noticed. The Honor 600 Pro includes a set of smart sensing features that react to your behavior automatically using the front camera and onboard sensors. Look at the screen and the audio display stays active instead of timing out. Pick up the phone while it's ringing and glance at it and the ringtone volume lowers automatically without needing to press anything. None of this is flashy marketing material, but it reduces friction constantly throughout the day. The phone feels more responsive to context instead of behaving like a static device waiting for a button presses. Like the best software features, it disappears into normal use after a few days. Number 2, the AI settings agent. Most people don't remember where half their phone settings are located anymore. Bluetooth menus, hotspot toggles, flashlight shortcuts, permissions, everything is buried somewhere different. AI settings agent solves that by letting you use natural language instead of navigating menus manually. You can type or say commands like turn off Bluetooth, enable flashlight, open battery settings, turn on eye comfort mode, and this jumps directly into the relevant action and performance immediately. It's effectively a system-wide shortcut layer powered by AI interpretation rather than exact keyword matching. The point isn't complexity, it's speed. You spend less time hunting through settings pages for simple tasks. And the same thing is here, as you can see, hold to talk AI actions. On a dedicated AI interaction shortcut tied to the hardware A button. I mean software. Hold it down, speak naturally, and the AI assistant responds immediately without needing wake words or separate apps. That applies across multiple AI tools, including AI agent, AI photo agent, system actions, search, and productivity tools. The important part is how quickly it's accessible. Long press, speak, done. No extra setup, flow, no panic. Separate up assistant windows first. Remember, it's easy. And the next thing is Magic Portal. Magic Portal remains one of Honor's smartest software ideas because it removes unnecessary copy-paste steps. Enable it, circle or highlight content on the screen, text, images, addresses, products, screenshots, and instantly send it to another application for a contextual side panel. Circle an address, open maps, highlight, text notes to send to notes, set an image, share directly to Instagram or messages. In switching applications manually and repeating the same process over and over, Magic Portal predicts what you probably want to do. Next, unsurfaces those options immediately. The feature sounds minor until you use it for a few days. Then going back to traditional sharing menus feels slower. AI defect detection is here also. AI-generated scam calls are becoming a real problem, especially as face swapping and synthetic video improve. Honor will deepfake detection directly into video calls on the 600 Pro. The system analyzes the incoming video stream locally on device and looks for inconsistencies in lighting, facial movement, and generated imagery. If the confidence threshold is high enough, the phone warns you that the color may be synthetic. The important part is that it runs automatically in the background once enabled. That's more practical than expecting users to automatically verify every suspicious call themselves. Call translation is here too. Call translation works similarly to Honor's live subtitle tools, but instead real-time phone and video calls. During conversations between people speaking different languages, the phone generates translated subtitles left on screen so both participants can follow the discussion without switching apps or using external services. There's also a face-to-face translation mode where the phone acts like a live interpreter between two speakers. Accuracy still depends, of course, heavily on speech clarity, accent, and background noise, but in quiet environment, the system is fast enough to feel genuinely conversational rather than delayed. More AI. As you can see, the button is right here. The dedicated AI button isn't locked to one function. You can remap it to different actions depending on how you actually use the phone AI-related options. These include AI agent, AI photo agent, voice interaction tools, but you can also assign completely non-AI shortcuts like flashlight, camera, screenshot tools, specific applications, system actions. That's flexibility matters because hardware shortcut buttons usually become annoying when they are permanently tied to one feature you never use. And avoid that problem by making the button adaptable instead of forcing a single workflow. Number 8, AI suggestions. The system also includes AI suggestions, contextual recommendations that surface apps and actions based on your habits and current scenario. For example, navigation apps before your commute, food delivery apps around dinner time, headphones controls when connected, travel-related tools at airports, meeting apps during work hours. The idea isn't to overwhelm the screen with recommendations, it's to reduce the number of tabs required to reach the app you were probably about to open anyway. When the predictions are accurate, the phone starts feeling proactive rather than reactive. And this is the final thing. Honor icon for display. The display software on the 600 Pro goes beyond a standard blue light filter. Honor bundles several icons for systems together under the icon for display feature set. Circadian night display adjusts color temperature dynamically throughout the evening to reduce harsh blue light exposure and make a late night viewing easier on your eyes before sleep. Defocus eye care simulates distance viewing behavior through subtle image adjustments intended to reduce eye strain during excellent close range usage. Natural tone matches the screen's white balance to ambient lighting conditions so colors appear more natural in different environments. Blue light filter, the traditional low light mode for nighttime reading and reduced visual fatigue. Individually, none of these features completely changes the experience. Together, they make long sessions on the phone noticeably more comfortable, especially at night or during heavy daily use. Worth knowing section is here also. The Honor 600 Pro supports 6 years of Android updates and 6 years of security patches, which puts it ahead of most phones in this price tier for long-term software support. Charging support reaches 80 watts wired and 50 watts wireless, although European markets don't include a charger in the box. The software story here is less about one massive headline feature and more about reducing friction everywhere across the operating system. That's ultimately what makes the 600 Pro interesting. The AI tools mostly focus on everyday usability instead of gimmicks. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, share it and like it. Goodbye.